Hey everybody, it's Brad Langdon again at MarineMax Stuart. Today I'm going to walk you through a 2026 Boston Whaler 220 Dauntless. We'll start off at the helm. You have a large helm seat with double fold-up bolsters, Simrad electronics, analog gauges, JL audio. You also have a Simrad VHF, a very handy lockable glove box. These boats have a neat feature, your wireless phone charger next to your compass. You have life jacket storage up top. On this specific boat, you have a live well here on the leaning post, and you have two jump seats in the back and a 300 horse Merc outboard. And we'll look forward here also. The forward section, you've got a very large sun pad with storage underneath. You have two storage areas underneath the very far forward side. And as you can see, this boat is rigged with the trolling motor pre-wired already. If you'd like to come see this boat at MarineMax Stuart, stop by and say hello. Thank you.